In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meeting outcome in HubSpot. HubSpot, as you might already know, is a powerful tool for managing your business's customer relationship management or CRM processes. Whether you're managing sales, support, or just keeping up with your contacts, it's essential to track the outcomes of your meetings effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred browser and navigating to the HubSpot homepage. You'll find it very straightforward as HubSpot is designed with user friendliness in mind. Once you land on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you tend to forget passwords, consider using a password manager to keep your login process smooth and hassle-free. Now that you're logged in, your next stop is the HubSpot homepage. You can easily reach this page if you aren't already there by navigating through the menu options at the top. From this home screen, you have access to all the various tools HubSpot provides. Today our focus is specifically on the CRM aspect, so locate and click on the CRM button. This will lead you to the main CRM interface where you can manage your contacts and track interactions. Once in the CRM, your next step is to click on Contacts. This section houses all the contact information and interaction history for your clients or potential leads. Take a moment to scroll through your contacts list and select the contact for whom you'd like to log a meeting outcome. If your list is long, utilize the search feature for quicker navigation. Once you've selected a contact, a detailed view of their profile should appear. On this profile page, look for the Meetings tab. Click on it to reveal all past and upcoming meetings associated with this contact. Now, it's time to select a meeting. Simply choose the meeting whose outcome you wish to add. It's important to keep your meeting notes detailed as this helps in tracking outcomes accurately over time. After selecting the meeting, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu. Click on Actions and from the list of options, select Edit. This will open up the meeting details where you can add or update information. Look for a section labeled Outcome. This is where you'll specify the result of your meeting. And finally, click on Completed to finalize the outcome of this meeting. This simple act of recording the meeting as completed can offer valuable insights into the progress and success of your interactions over time. Once you've finished entering the information, double check to ensure everything is accurately captured, and there you have it, your meeting outcome has been successfully added to HubSpot. This process not only ensures that your records are up to date, but also provides your team with essential data to streamline your business processes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using HubSpot effectively.